Wall Street ends down sharply as hot inflation information intensifies investor fears. New York U.S. shares ended down sharply on Friday and published their biggest weekly percent declines for the reason that January is a steeper than expected upward thrust in U.S. patron prices in May fueled investor issues approximately greater aggressive hobby fee hikes by means of the Federal Reserve. Tech and growth shares, whose valuations rely more closely on future coins flows, led the decline. Microsoft Corp. Nasdaq, MSFT, and Apple Inc. Nasdaq, AAPL, had been amongst the biggest weights at the S&P 500 and Nasdaq. Following the inflation document, benchmark 10-year U.S. Treasury yields reached 3.152%, the highest seeing that May 9. The U.S. Labor Department's file showed the Customer Rate Index (CPI) improved 1.0% last month after gaining 0.3% in April. Economists polled by had forecast the monthly CPI choosing up 0.7%. Year-on-year, CPI surged 8.6%, its largest advantage given that 1981 and following an 8.3% leap in May. Stocks have been unstable this 12 months, and current promoting has in large part been tied to uncertainty over the outlook for inflation and hobby charges. Inflation this beyond month was really warmer than expected and a reminder that inflation may be with us for longer than we formerly anticipated, stated Michael Sheldon, leader investment officer at RDM Financial Group at Hightower in Westport, Connecticut. But there are some symptoms within the financial system that in the end inflation need to start to gradual, and the Fed will in all likelihood do whatever it takes to keep elevating costs and reduce inflation over the coming 12 to 18 months. According to preliminary facts, the S&P 500 lost 117.05 points, or 2.91%, to stop at 3,900.77 factors, even as the Nasdaq Composite lost 415.07 points, or 3.53%, to 11,339.16. The Dow Jones Industrial Average fell 882.47 factors, or 2.73%, to 31,395.72. The inflation report became posted beforehand of an anticipated second 50 foundation factors rate hike from the Fed subsequent Wednesday. A similarly half percentage point is priced in for July, with a strong danger of a similar flow in September. Netflix Inc. Nasdaq, NFLX, slid after Goldman downgraded the streaming large's inventory to sell from neutral because of a probable weaker macro surroundings.